I just saw you from afar. Just didn't come and meet you. What's up?
I'm good.
Wow, that's great. I mean, what's your name?
My name is Sally.
Wow, great to know. I mean, that's a very nice dog.
Thank you.
Skit, yeah. I don't know. I don't know if maybe I'll just, get to know you my name. I need to jump back. So maybe I can call you.
Okay, no, you don't need my number. I have a boyfriend.
Wow, I don't even care to know because now like this time I'm dying for the choices. Dying for you like that. I said to my father, just think come on me. Come on, you should just try look now. You just come at me. Just need love for today.
No, I said no. I have a boyfriend.
Okay, you don't care. I mean, if you don't mind, I have money to get. I know your money. That's why you guys are kind of there. So don't worry. I have money. You need 200,000. I mean,
Keep your money to yourself. I told you, I'm not those girls that are dying for money. Okay, I told you before. I have a boyfriend.
It's shocking. Okay, that's fine. I mean, come on. At least your number. Yeah, just come on.
No, I can't give you my number because I have a boyfriend.
Come on,
that's what they do for you.
Yeah, I don't have that time, okay?
Oh, come on. I can't let you go just like that now. Come on.
No, leave me alone.
Come on now. How do you do this now?
Leave me alone, okay?
There's no problem. I mean, there's 200,000 to give you, but I think maybe you don't want to show. I'll pick it up. Well, let's go.
See today, coach tried to make me the best. I punish me for training. Something daughter one kind. I look at big cash. I touch and they use for me now. Because I don't get killed, you get killed.
Things like that, why?
I don't know what it is. Not for defending. Don't suffer anymore. Oh, my friend, kill I did.
Oh my God, get one guy for that place. You don't did it. Disturb me. Like, you didn't worry. I don't answer. I guess they do not call the private.
Come back here.
Like, you get one guy who did it. I don't answer. I get they been a brand new money. I don't answer. I get you want brand new.
You want come first, you want beat.
You want first.
I want tell her thing. You didn't carry me. You go deck out.
It's about to
Mogo meet the guy. Can't go through.
A few moments later.
What be this?
Jesus. No.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Oh, no. You be mumu. Things say they wise. You are a mumu man.
There is God. Out of me and you. What's the big man? Everybody go surplus.
Finish him for me, kill him.
Jesus! Come here, everybody they shake. Come here, everybody they shake. Come on, everybody they shake. Blood of Jesus, blood. Come on.
Wetin be this?
this one.
You be mumu. Things say they wise.
Jesus!
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
We will handicap.